Miss me?
What's up guys? So in today's video I'm super excited. I'm basically going to be like starting my Christmas present opening like early this year and doing an unboxing video for you guys. So guys, I got my FabFitFun box in the mail and I am so excited because I have never ever in my life received one of these boxes. I have seen ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Twitter ads, every single type of ad for FabFitFun boxes for the last like 2.5 years of my life. And today is the day that I finally got one of my own. I finally get to unbox this. I am so excited to show you guys everything that's in here. So guys, for today's video, I partnered with FabFitFun to do this little like winter unboxing because they just released their winter box. So before I do the little unboxing, I just wanted to give you guys some background about FabFitFun if you have absolutely no idea who they are. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box that offers you guys full-sized fashion, beauty, wellness, lifestyle products, and you receive this box 4 times a year. Each of the boxes are $49.99. They have a value of over $200 worth of products. FabFitFun was nice enough to give me a coupon to give you guys, which is Batty10, and you guys can get $10 off your guys' first box, so it will only be $39.99. So you're basically getting over $200 worth of products for only $39.99 if you use my code Batty10. What's really, really cool about FabFitFun now is that they let you customize your guys' boxes so you guys have the chance to be able to pick like what products you want to have in your box. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked out for mine right now. I'm so excited. So I already have been peeping at my box and there's this item in here that I really want to use, but I haven't used it because I wanted to you know, make this video first before my dog ruined it. So when you open the box, it's this huge little box right here. I put the box next to me so I can show you guys everything. Oh, I'm so excited to show you guys everything in this box. Basically, if you kind of want to know some of my favorite products in the world, it's every single item in here. My box personally that I customized to like what I like and all that stuff is just the perfect box for a homebody. A homebody person like me. Yes, this box right here is so perfect for me. I'm so excited to show you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so for the first thing, I got in my box these Face for All face and eye mask set. If you follow me on Instagram, which if you do not follow me on Instagram, you should follow me on Instagram, Batty Maddie, you know, go follow me. Basically, I'm obsessed with doing face masks. I love sheet masks, face masks, cream mask, peel off mask, any type of face mask, lip mask, eye mask. That is just me. I'm so obsessed with that. I don't know, it makes me happy. Like buying face masks and all that stuff like caused me joy in life. So basically this comes with, I'm going to open it to show you guys how many masks come in here. So there's literally, what the heck, there's 7? What the heck? That's actually a lot. So it's 6 face masks, and then we have 1 eye mask right here. There's a clarifying, brightening, antioxidant, age-defying, hydrating, exfoliating masks. I love sheet masks so much, so oh my god, I'm so excited. So the next thing, when I was picking out like what I want in my box, I saw and I was like, wow, oh my god, like I need you, like I really need to try you out. It is this makeup eraser. It's erase all makeup with just water. So we're basically going to open it so I can kind of like show you guys what it is. It's basically just a makeup like towel. I have yet to use this product as well just because I didn't want to use any of these products and them be ugly for the video. I wanted you guys to see them exactly in their packaging, like how nice they were. This box has literally been in my room for like a week now and it's been just calling my name ever since. So it's basically just this little makeup towel. You wet it, you put it on your face, and it's supposed to just get all of your makeup off, which is so easy because you know your girl does wear a lot of makeup. So this is going to come in very handy. I ruin a lot of normal like face cloths and towels. My mother can't complain to me anymore because I have my own makeup remover towel and I don't need to use her. She's literally gonna screen record me saying that and be like, you said that you don't ever have to use my towels again. So like, so the next product that I got is this Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Drybar. And if you don't know what Drybar is, I'm like 98% sure that Drybar is that place that gives you the blowout. I really want to blow out, so let me know in the comments down below. Have you guys ever had one? I really want to get one. I feel like everyone just looks so attractive, so like would you guys want me to film it like if I ever get one? Basically just a detangler, and my hair knots so much. I have a ridiculous amount of hair. It's kind of annoying. My hair knots so much. I brushed my hair before this video, but like let's see, like if I go like this, my hair. It's like there's still knots at the end, you know? So like my hair is constantly knotty, so any type of detangler, smoothing, oil, spray product, any type of thing, like that's just right up my alley. It really is. Next thing that we have, oh, I'm pumped for these. I feel like me liking these just makes me feel like I'm like an old woman, or like my mom. Like my mom loves things like this. Like everything in this box is something that my mom would love, so I just kind of feel like a mother, like loving all these things. But it's basically these Thirsty Hands little hydrating hand mask. It comes with 2 hand masks in the package, which I think I'm gonna give one to my mom because she has ridiculous dry hands. So it comes with 2 of these little like hand things, and you basically just stick your hands in them for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you remove the gloves, and it's basically just supposed to make your hands like very, really soft and smoothing. And so with the winter time, my skin, it's like every single type of moisture in me just leaves. Like every winter, I am incredibly dry. My face flakes. My hands are just so dry that it just hurts to like even touch my phone, and so I need every single type of moisturizing product that I could get my hands on. Does anyone else have this issue where like you feel like your eyelash is falling off, but like you know it's not falling off, but like it really just feels like she's not hanging there anymore? I'm really excited to try these because if I do really like these, I'm definitely going to go on Google this and buy some more. So it comes with like this little like sample thing that I'm just going to show you guys. It is a purple mattress like thing, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but this is so soft. Purple Company, please hit me up and please send me this mattress because I feel like I would literally never leave my bed ever. So you guys, the next thing that I got in my box that I picked out was I wanted to receive this coffee scrub, and wow, I'm really excited to use these. Let me know in the comments down below, have you guys ever tried a coffee scrub? I have literally never ever tried a coffee scrub, and I have been wanting to try a coffee scrub for so freaking long. This is from the brand Frank Body, which I'm pretty sure this is the coffee scrub that I saw all the YouTubers that I used to watch like a year and a half ago using in their shower routines. So I'm so freaking excited to try this. There's literally like so much product in it. Hopefully tomorrow morning when I take a shower, I'm exhausted, and like let's see if this like makes me, I don't know, wake up. So basically in this product it has the ingredients of coffee, which stimulates collagen and tones skin, almond oil, which hydrates and improves appearances, vitamin E, which fades scars and marks, which I have like a lot of scars and like marks on my body, so literally cannot wait to get rid of those. And then sea salt, which fights breakouts and bacteria, which is going to be really amazing because like right now for some reason I don't know if I like use like a new body lotion or like a body cream and my skin reacted really weird to it, but like right now like my skin is kind of like it's breaking out, but it's not breaking out. It almost looks like it could be like a rash, but I know it's not a rash. But yeah, definitely follow me on Instagram so I can keep you guys updated on like what I did think of this product. The next product is something that I cannot use until 2020, but I'm so freaking excited. I am a planner. I love planners. I'm a planner. I just literally like called myself a planner. Like what? I am a planner type of girl. Anything planner. I have small notebooks. I have big planners. I have like the big wall planners. I have calendar planners. I have calendar apps on my phone to make like little like planners. I just love having everything planned. I don't know, I feel like my life just works so much more smoother and my brain just functions so much more properly when I do have a planner. The planner that I currently have right now is very, very big and it does not fit in my backpack. And I always like to bring my planner around with me, but I haven't been able to bring a planner with me anywhere. I had to buy a notebook on Amazon so I can like keep it in, you know, my backpack and all that stuff. So I'm so excited for the new year to use this planner. It is so freaking pretty. I'm also really, really excited that I didn't have to go to Target and pick out a planner, and I have this one. It's so cute. It's just this little floral one, and I did pick this out like on the website, and so I was so freaking excited to receive this. Calendar looks like inside. It has all these just lines and stuff. When I received this box in the mail, I did open it and then I had to stick it back in the package for you guys so then it wouldn't get ruined. But my birthday, guys, this year, May 5th, it falls on Taco Tuesday, and I'm literally so excited. That was the first thing that I did when I got this planner. I went to go see when my birthday was, so everybody mark your calendars. May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, right there. It's my birthday and tacos happen to be like one of my favorite foods, so if anyone wants to send me a gift card to buy myself tacos, you have like 7 months actually to send me the gift card because my birthday is not in 7 months, but make sure you guys put it in your calendar to not forget my birthday. Don't forget my birthday. So the next item, this is the item, my hand's on it right now. Oh my gosh, I am just, these are gorgeous. It's so cold. It was raining today, and so I was literally so excited to film this video. It is currently actually pouring outside. I was so excited to film this video because my feet have just been cold. I've been cold all day, and I got slippers. Oh my gosh, like when I picked these out that I wanted these in my FabFitFun box, I was so excited. Like, can you guys tell that this is basically like a box for like a homebody? Like, this is just the definition of like kind of like a homebody box. Like all the things that like people who love to stay at home just I feel like love. It is these slippers. This is my first time opening these slippers because I knew Chanel was gonna get a hold of these. My purple ones, I currently have purple slippers that I've been wearing, and she loves biting them all the time. She actually like ripped a string out of them, and now my slippers are kind of looking ugly, and so that's why I purposely left these in so they weren't ugly, because I was not about to show no slippers on camera that were ugly, okay? So I was so excited to get these. I saw them on the website when I was picking it out. I was like, oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute. Look at them. They're so freaking pretty. Look at that fur. And they're like gray. Oh my god, these are so cute. I'm gonna put them on. Oh. Y'all have like... Is it sad that I get like excited over these things? But like, to be honest, I feel like me getting excited early for all like the products that I feel like adults really love, it's kind of good, because that means that I'm just not going to be like a hater towards being an adult. Oh my god, they're so cute. Okay, so I'm wearing them for the rest of the video. And then the next item is something that I've been wanting to basically open for forever, and I haven't been able to, because this is something that I knew on spot. Like the second I took it out, basically I knew on this next item that it was going to get ruined within a span of 30 hours. Honestly, more like 30 minutes. I was not about to have that before I filmed this video, so it's a blanket. Now, to any of my friends that are watching this video, if you do not know what to get me for Christmas, blankets. I love blankets so much. Basically 6 days I'm about to go to the store and buy a bunch of Christmas blankets because that's what I'm decorating, and I'm so excited. I could just take a look around my room and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blankets just in this little general vicinity. Now 8. Now we got 8 blankets. I just love blankets so much. I just feel like they really do make me happy. They make me feel comfortable. They make me feel very just cozy, and I feel like just having a bunch of blankets like in your room or like in your living room or anything like that, it just makes the room feel so much more homey. Let's open this for the first time. It is this pretty like cream color. I have been wanting a blanket this color for so long, and I already know that this is going to look so cute with my like Christmas decorating and like my winter plans for this blanket and all that stuff. It is so soft, and I'm like a sucker for soft blankets. It is a fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh, faux blankets. It says unhide for love, not fur. So I'm going to open this right now. I'm like scared that I'm gonna cut the blanket. Oh my God. Okay, so I kind of got it open. Now I'm just gonna rip the rest of it off because I don't want to rip the blanket. This is basically what the blanket looks like. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see how soft it looks. Okay, like low-key, doesn't it kind of look like a paint roller? Okay, I'm gonna open it for the first time. I don't know how big it is, so I'm really excited to see how... Ooh. Oh my god, she's like nice. I feel like people are literally watching this video just making fun of me getting excited over just the weirdest things. Like, the average person does not get excited over a blanket, but honestly, if you are a person that gets excited over a blanket, let's be friends, because I feel like I don't have a lot of friends that appreciate blankets. They're like really freaking large. Oh, I'm gonna take the cutest Instagram pictures in this. I see a lot of Instagram models, you know, like doing like blanket shoots where they're like doing like, they're like just cute and they have like a blanket on them. And so yeah, I literally cannot wait to take my winter Instagram pictures of this. So I wanted to show you guys how much of a deal FabFitFun really is. And so I went and got all of the products that I got. I went on Google, looked at the price for every single one, added it up, and the total of this box, what it should have costed, was $249.90 after I added up every single item in this box. So basically, this box with everything in it is originally $250. If you guys originally buy the box without my code, you guys have to spend $49.99 on it. But if you use my code BADDIE10, then you guys can get this box, $250 worth of products for only $39.99. If this is a box that you guys are not interested as like my viewer, I honestly really recommend getting this for like a Christmas present for like your mom, your grandma, or anyone, your aunts, anyone. It's really, really great, and it's something that you could sign them up like for their Christmas present. You could be like, hey, I bought you 4 FabFitFun boxes. I think it would be like a really, really great idea. And if you don't know what to get like your mom, your grandma, your aunt, or anyone in your life, this is definitely something that I do recommend. They're going to get so much products that would cost them hundreds of dollars for literally only $39.99 with my code. So yeah, you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have ever had a FabFitFun box, and like, what do you guys think of it? And also, did you guys get a winter box? Like, what things did you get in your winter box? Did we get the same things? I'm very, very curious, so let me know in the comments down below. If you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the little bell so you guys be notified when I post a video. Do not forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, and TikTok so you guys can see, you know, what I'm doing when I'm not active on YouTube. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.